Hi everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 14. We've got like 11 days left. Yeah, snuck up on me anyway. Hope y'all are doing well. This is gonna be short, sweet, and to the point. It's just like it's about 7:30, so work has been just work. But I've been working on my car project, the placemats and the coasters. I finished the first one of the striped ones. Oops, if I can get a hold of it. Right here. 9 different colors, picked randomly out of a bag. Here's the coaster. Whee! So when I get to the last color, which was the dark brown, it becomes the border color and also the coaster. So that way, and then it starts the next placemat. That way this won't be at the end again, hopefully. It would probably only work on the second one. I don't know about the third one, but that set is done. So yay, I think I've got, I don't even remember how many I have. It's not like I'm going to get them finished anytime soon. So I'm still been sitting here, not today though, working on washcloths. I am 3 days, am I 3 days or almost 3 days behind on my temperature blanket, I think. No, I am almost 4 days behind on my temperature blanket. Oops. But that's just so I could like get presents wrapped, get some other stuff handled. I have not made any progress on this, which I need to do this weekend because I need to get that tree decorated and get it done. This has to finish. I also have to do a ton of, what is it called? Computer training for work. I need to get that done. Otherwise, if I don't get it done by the end of December, which is December 31st, I'm off the schedule. So I need to get that finished. I have 13 more of those to do. Or 14. I don't remember. All I know is I got a text saying that something wasn't done and it's due on the 15th, which is, no, technically it's Monday. I'm shooting this on Friday. So I've got to do all of that. I've got to clean, all this other fun stuff. Why does December have to be this dang busy? Just why? If the temperature blankets didn't exist, I would have so much more stuff done. I'm going to be 4 days behind, so I need to catch that up this weekend as well. The cycle never ends. And all these other projects, I need to get a handle on trying to get rid of this yarn. And there's still so much of it you can't see because that other chair is blocking the bottom shelf. Just to get it, just to get it out of here, get it completed. That's why I've got 9 different color skeins in my car right now, so I can make those placemats and coasters. So that'll knock hopefully most of that out. So I don't have to have a lot more. I still need to make more coasters for my desk. Probably some mug rugs also for like the kitchen. Yeah, we'll see. But I'm just like overwhelmed. And it's like work is exhausting. So much stuff going on. And just trying to finish stuff and just relax. So right now it's like this is probably only going to be about probably not even 5 minutes long. Which that's fine. The day 15 will probably be a little bit longer because Saturday after work I don't have to go to bed early. I can do whatever and like try to knock some of this stuff out. Sunday I'm planning on doing all the computer training, get that or a good portion of it knocked out because I'm just like I don't need it hanging over my head because I need my job and I don't want to be taken off the schedule, so I have to get that done. Anyway, that's all I have for today. All the work, the ones during the work week are like this long, which that's fine. You got things to do. It's like 5 minutes out of your day. Anyway, I shall see you in the next Vlogmas. Bye-bye.